What's going on, everybody? We're back right away for another GoPro video from Florida. Kicking this one off, we are on the TC300 down at Tampa MX. I made the way over for a little Tuesday practice. First time ever being at Tampa. A little different than I thought it would be, just because most of the other tracks are more outdoor tracks. And this one was like a little bit more close, supercrossy, fairish style. I had a great time. 300 might have been a little bit much for this track, but nonetheless had a great time and enjoyed my laps here. So after following a 125 around to hit two of the bigger jumps, I got everything down and had a good time. So enjoy these laps on the TC300. Catch you guys later. Dirt Bike Lifestyle, JetBoyCo. If you guys like what you're seeing, make sure to like, subscribe, throw a comment down, let me know what you think. There's plenty more where this came from. Dirt Bike Lifestyle.